Well, today we're working in the shipping container.
Yes.
Because of all the rain.
That people are happy.
Like, yes. But it's a mess. Things have gotten transferred and left and all kinds of things. So we're going to take a minute. We're going to clean up. We're going to adjust some stuff. And then we're going to decide exactly where we're going to start today. So because it's not winter anymore, we can actually do spray foam like we wanted to from the beginning. So we're going to pull down all this pink insulation and set it off to the side. We have some other projects that will work great on, but what we really wanted to do was spray foam. So we're gonna pull that down, we're gonna set it off to the side, and then we can begin our framing. And when we're done framing, we can actually spray foam the whole container, which is gonna work so much better. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so we didn't get all of the seal done on the outside of the windows, so our windows are leaking, which is a giant pain, you know, but that's what happens whenever you start working on something and then you stop and then you move on to something else. It's like a ton of stuff that actually has not gotten done. So we do have water going on in here, but we're not enclosing anything in, so I think it will be fine. We're just gonna start working on the framing like you see back here, and continue that on, and then we'll go back on the outside and we'll seal it all in and caulk everything in. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Okay, so we absolutely do not have enough of studs, so we're just going to use what we've got, and then we're going to figure out exactly how many more we need, and then we'll have to make a Home Depot run in order to pick up more studs.
You can always find good studs at Home Depot.
That's a true story. I'm gonna take off my raincoat. I'll tell you what, 4 days of rain. Yeah. It's a muddy mess out there. But at least we have stuff to do inside of here. Have our friends seen the view yet?
No, because that window is really hard to see through.
Super foggy.
Yeah.
Plus the mountains got actual fog on it all over the place. So we'll have to show you that, guys, another time. How many of these do we actually have?
37. We have 37.
Okay, how many did we use for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll have to put another one here and offset it, so the next top one. So basically every 8 feet we'll use 7. So 37 divided by 7.
I do not have math.
7 times 5 is 35, and we have 2 left over. So we could do 5 of these, which would actually get us all the way down to one end. let's scooch this this guy towards you that way. Okay, this guy. And then, so this thing can sit straight up and down. And that's where it's going to go. Just to make sure it's level. But the spray foam will be able to fit behind it, so it'll be a really good seal. And I can attach that wall to this, and then we can scoot this back out of the way. I got the most important thing. You need my knee pads. They're not my favorite ones though. I don't know where my favorite ones went. These ones, I like the actual ones that are for gardening, not for building. I mean, I get this so you don't step on a screw on your knee and go through your knee and you end up in the hospital, but how else are you supposed to meet a doctor?
Exactly.
We should have a shirt made that says we're building our own home. How else are you supposed to meet a doctor?
That's the best kind of shirt.
We have our cheerleaders.
Yep.
And our tiny panther hanging out with us.
The one cheerleader is going to be a little jumpy because the tiny panther's in here.
Yep. Is that you, Justin? You want to show them how jumpy you are? Ready? Hop. Nope, that wasn't good enough. Oh, you almost had it. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Come here. Oh, yeah, he said good girl too. All right, Justin, come here. Hop. Good boy. That's your only party trick. He's got crazy eyes. That one was a little bit short. It's 87. 7'3", 87 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut like that. One thing we did not do with the other one was we didn't actually screw it to the floor yet because we were secretly hoping we would get to do this and just take this all apart. So I think we're probably at the stage where we can screw this one down.
Do we have to have special like metal screws for that?
No, because this is wood floor. First one has to be this way. What do you want? You're so worried. You're so worried. Drawing apparatus.
Your pencil.
In some lands known as a pencil. Ah, words are hard.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face.
So Heather, what is it that you've got on your feet here?
My clown shoes?
Shouldn't you be wearing something else?
But aren't these like official construction shoes?
Let's ask Bob. Hey Bob, Robert, are these official construction shoes? I really want to know.
Well, for those who care about my shoe wear, I'm still healing from my bad foot, and anything that causes pressure hurts. So, clogs it is. Justin, clogs it is.